Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this short video I will tell you that how you can easily fix pending download problem in Google Play Store. So guys, if you want to fix pending download problem in Google Play Store, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, all you will have to do is to go to the Play Store, then tap on your profile on the top right corner and tap on settings, and once you are on this page, tap on network preferences, and on the top you'll find an option of app download preferences, and tap on it and make sure that it is selected to over any network and click on OK, and then do this for the all of three options. And once you have done it, if it still doesn't solve your problem, you can go to settings and go to app section, and once you're on this page, tap on Google Play Store and then tap on storage and cache, and then clear all the cache of Google Play Store, and it will solve your problem. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.